5 digital products to sell online in 2025 to earn passive income. You want to earn passive income in 2025 with digital products? These 5 products can generate passive income while you sleep. No inventory, no shipping, and you get complete freedom. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you're tired of trading your hours for dollars and you want to start to be able to create streams of income, digital products are one of the best ways that you can do that. And in today's video, I'm going to break down 5 digital products that you can start selling in 2025 to earn passive income, whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer out there looking for some new products to start selling in 2025. So let's dive in. The first digital product is online courses. Online courses, they're amazing. These are such a fantastic product to be selling online in 2025 simply because information is so valuable. Right now, people are hungry for valuable information and they're willing to fork over their dollars for the education and for the knowledge that you have in your mind, in your head. You have skills, you have experience, and you can package that all up in an online course. An online course can consist of, written material as well as videos. Usually videos are the best way to go for online courses. You can start with a mini course with as little as 1 video to 3 videos. All right. It's all a matter of the information that you're packaging in that video, right? And then you could expand to a more comprehensive course with different modules, with different lessons within those modules and making it like 30 videos, 30 or 10 to 15 different modules with 5 lessons within each of the modules. And you can start creating, huge comprehensive courses, but you can start off with mini courses with 1 to 3 videos or even just an hour-long webinar, right? Those are fantastic as well. So, wow, I'm going on with just the online courses, guys, because these are fantastic products, digital products that you can sell. You create the online course, you list it on your website, somebody can come and buy that course from you 24/7, anytime, any day. It's automated when you have it set up, and that's passive income once you create that course. Next, number 2, the next product that you can create, an amazing product in digital marketing for digital products to sell in 2025 is an ebook or a guide. These are very simple to do because you're not creating a bunch of videos or anything like that. All you need to do is to create some written content. You can start on a Word document, right? You start on a Word document, you put your knowledge out there and you put it in a Word document and you convert it to a PDF. You can go to places like Canva, all right? And you can start creating the images. You can start creating your ebook within Canva to make it look all pretty, all beautiful, and make it look very professional in Canva. That's what people really like to see. And then you can create your covers, all that sort of stuff in there in Canva. An amazing platform to be creating ebooks. Ebooks are great because you can sell them as well for a very, very low ticket, anywhere between $7, $10, $27. It all depends on the information that you are providing in that, in the product. All right. Now, also, I want to make mention that while we're here on this, because I just love I love online courses and I love ebooks. I love these digital products. And I think these are it's just an amazing income stream for people to be able to start creating and packaging up their knowledge and their skills. It's all about monetizing your experience and your skills that you have because there are so many people out there that are willing to pay for your skills. If you want the full detailed information, you want to be able to, have a good walk, have me walk you through this whole process on actually creating these digital products, the roadmap of doing this, the blueprint on creating all of this, right? I've got down below in the description. Go check it out. I've got the formula. You can get the guide. There's a free formula that you can download and you can check it out. It's the formula for creating these digital products so that you can start to monetize your skills. So check it out down below in the description. And number 3, let's continue on here. While we're speaking about Canva, right? It's using that for your eBooks and your guides and stuff like that. Well, the next thing that you can be doing is, while you're in Canva, you could actually create templates. Okay, you can actually create templates on Canva that you can even resell within Canva, right? You can sell these templates to a lot of people out there because they're looking for, oh, I need an ebook. Like maybe you've already been wondering that yourself, right? You're like, well, okay, great. I want to create that ebook, but I don't know how to really put it together. I need like a template for this book and all that, right? How do I really format that up and put that together? Well, if you've gotten to that stage and you've been able to figure that out, you could also be creating templates. You can create templates, you can create planners, you can create trackers, you can create all this sort of stuff within Canva. And these are like printables, right? They're planners, they're trackers, they're templates, and people like to buy these, right? They want to have a social media planner, right? And that's also talking about social media planners, right? You grab my marketing bundle as well. I've got a link down below in the description for my marketing bundle. Grab that bundle. I've got a social media planner right there. Okay, see, I'm doing this myself. I have a social media planner that you could use, and it plan out all your social media. So get the planner. You understand exactly what's all involved with the planner, and you can go and you can do the same stuff yourself, right? Okay. Wonderful products to be selling. And these are best-selling products that are out there right now. Tip, just a hint, just, for some FYI, check it out. Those are top-selling products that people are looking to buy. They're useful. People like them. People need them. People want them, right? Number 4. Now, this one here is key. This is if you can start getting this one down, this is where real good passive income wealth is going to start to flow into your life. And that is with subscription-based memberships. All right. Continuity products, a membership. It could be as simple as a newsletter. That's it. As simple as a newsletter that somebody, maybe they pay $97 a year for a newsletter, or maybe it's $9.95 a month for a monthly newsletter, right? People will pay for a subscription for a newsletter that's going to give them quality information that's really going to be helping them. It's all about finding problems and solutions for people's problems. If people are, in the need of specific resources, information that you can deliver through a subscription-based newsletter or a membership website, right? Then you're going to pay monthly for. Then that way you're going to create a monthly residual or an annual residual passive income, right? Like I have many tools. That I pay once a year for, right? Once a year I pay for these tools. I have tools that I pay monthly for. Well, guess what? Whoever created those tools, they are earning a passive income, residual income from me. How about your cell phone? How about your streaming service subscription? You're paying monthly for that. So people are receiving a monthly income from your bills. You can do the same thing by creating that sort of thing, that sort of a continuity product. And this absolutely digital products for this. Digital newsletters, a digital product membership site. Absolutely. And number 5, this one here, right in the year that we are in, this is in such high demand, and this is AI products. Okay. People are in the need. They're searching for AI products, learning how to use your prompts properly. It's not about just using an AI like ChatGPT. You got to know what the prompts are. You got to know how to use the AI in order to get the correct and the best responses out of ChatGPT, right? When you know how to do that, and you can start creating blog posts, sales copy, sales letter, email campaigns, website sales copy, articles. You can create all sorts of products and content using AI. People are willing to pay for that because they don't know how to do all that. right? They just know that it can be done, but they don't know. They go to ChatGPT and it's like, whoa, I don't really know. What do I do? What do I type? You know what I'm saying? It's a matter of knowing what to put in. The quality of your questions, the quality of what you're putting into AI, then you're going to be able to get a good response and get good, content out of AI, and you can be selling this to people. Absolutely. Such a phenomenal product to be able to sell, to companies that are looking for this type of content. Where do you learn all this? Again, you know what? My marketing bundle, I have the playbook for AI. I got a playbook for AI in my marketing bundle. Check it out in my description down below. In the marketing bundle, you will learn how to use AI. You will learn these prompts. You will learn how to use AI to generate this type of content, right? And you can take it and then you can go and sell it. You see why these products in my marketing bundle, they are so valuable. They are going to help you along your way in your digital marketing ventures, creating the products, monetizing your skill set, using the playbooks for AI, for social media, and the social media planners as well, right? So yeah, absolutely. I'm going to stand behind this marketing bundle because this is going to help you create these type of products and make money, passive income in 2025, right? Yes, absolutely. So if you found any of this content valuable at all, drop me a comment down below and let me know which one of these passive income ideas with digital products interests you the most, which one inspires you the most to take action with, because you got to take action. You need to take action. This is your year. Take action. Start selling digital products online. Create this passive income selling digital products. It's the best way to go in 2025. So drop me a comment down below. If you haven't liked the video, smash that like button, drop me a comment. If you're not yet subscribed, well, you know what to do. Hopefully you found enough value that you want to subscribe to this channel and listen and watch more videos that are just like this video that I put out consistently on this channel. All right. And then in the meantime, should have another video here right about here that YouTube's recommending here for you as well. I believe this video here is YouTube saying this one here you need to watch. So check it out.